All right. Hello, Spell 3 class. Today, I am unable to be with you because I'm at the doctor. I'm fine. Don't worry. I will be back after lunch. So, this is the only class where you have a video instead of a teacher. Today, I just want to explain what to do. And so, let's get started. You need to go ahead and open up your two input documents. Input document from Wednesday and Thursday. So go do that now. Do it. Open up your input documents. Go. I'll give you 10 seconds. Go on. Did you do it? Okay, pause the video when you have your input documents. Hit play again. Okay. So now that you have your input documents open, you're ready to begin. Now, today is output day. And what that means is you've read something or listened to something on Wednesday and Thursday. You have a lot of input into your brain. Today, you're going to begin working on your output. Now, for some of you, output is speaking, and for some of you, output is writing. All right. And your goal here is to tell me everything that you know about your topic that you learned in your input. So if you are doing speaking, I want you on the Google assignment that I posted for today, I want you to click Add or Create Google Slides. If you're doing writing, I want you to click Add or Create Google Doc. Now, I will be checking at the end of this class. All right, so I'll be checking around 11:37, and I must see a slides or a doc, and I must see you have started your output. You don't have to finish in class today, but you need to get 50% done. And that's how I'm going to be taking attendance for you today. And that is your grade for today. I repeat, at 11:37, I will check if you're doing speaking. I must see a Google Slides that you have started and worked on for this class period, or I must see an essay document that you have added and worked on for this class period. Okay? Now, what are you doing for your output? As you see on the calendar, output day is Tuesday. Okay, so you have today to start working, you have the weekend to work a little bit, and you have asynchronous time on Monday to work as well. So when you come to class on Tuesday, you are ready to do your presentation, or you're ready for me to show your essay to the class, and I'm going to read it to the class. It needs to be ready before class. All right? Do not be late with this first big assignment. So if you're doing a speaking, you're going to be making a Google Slides, and you're going to be doing a speaking presentation. Essentially, you're going to be telling us about your input, telling us about your topic, but only using speaking. And this is very important, speaking people. You may not include any full sentences on your Google Slides. Titles and pictures only. For example, look at the screen now. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. I have 11 complete sentences on this slide. If this was my slide for the project, I would fail. You are not allowed to use complete sentences in your Google Slides, because you are not allowed to read on your presentation. If you are reading from your slides on your presentation, you will fail. This is a speaking output. So you are allowed to have some pictures, you're allowed to have some notes, and you're going to be speaking to us. All right? This is very important. If I see full sentences, or if I see copying and pasting on your slides, you will fail. You must only speak. There is no time limit for your presentation. It's up to you. 1 minute, 2 minutes, 3 minutes, 4 minutes, 5 minutes, 6 minutes, up to you. Your choice. If you're writing, you'll be writing a short essay. Your essay must have separate paragraphs. It must have an intro and a conclusion. You may not copy and paste at all, unless you are quoting from your input. And if you're quoting, you need to give credit with quotation marks and tell me what article that came from. If you're writing an essay, there's no word count requirement. You must have intro, body, and conclusion, but you can have one body paragraph, or two bodies, or three bodies, or four bodies, your choice. So maybe it will be 500 words, 600 words, 700 words, 800, 900, 1,000. It's up to you. Okay? So what do I talk about in my essay or my presentation? Maybe you're wondering, what do you talk about? Well, it's up to you. You are the boss. Okay, but remember, we know nothing about your topic, and you know everything. You are the expert because you read 2 inputs. So you have to teach us. All right? So in your presentation essay, do a little bit of an introduction, talk about your input, explain to us what you learned, and tell us the interesting facts, talk about your other input, explain it to us. All right, you do not have to talk about everything in the input. No, not everything. Okay? You can just talk about the 5 important things that you put on your document. All right? You do not have to talk about everything. Just tell us the important stuff and the interesting stuff. Okay? So that's it, everybody. Very important for your grade today. Like I said, I want to repeat one more time. At the end of class today, I must see something on Google Classroom. You at least must have half your slides finished, or all your slides finished, or some of your slides finished, and you must have some of your paragraphs finished in the essay. So if I look on Google Classroom today and I see nothing, I will mark you absent and I will give you an F, 0% for today. If I look on Google Classroom and I see something, I see some slides, 3, 4, 5 slides, I see half the essay, I see something that showed me you worked during the class time today. Not tonight, during the class time. I'm checking at 11:37. And if I see something there, I will give you a 100 A+ for today. You don't have to finish it today. You just have to start it and make good progress. So good luck. Even though I'm at the doctor, I have my phone, so you can send me a GChat message on Google Chat, and I will be able to respond as long as I'm not doing something crazy, like the doctor is, looking at my tongue. Like I'm not going to respond if he's got one of those wooden tongue things on, down my throat. I'm not going to be like, hold on. No, I'm going to wait. But when you go to the doctor, there's always waiting time, and I will be able to look at the GChat. So please send me a GChat if you have a problem. Okay? Good luck.